Hey, everyone! Welcome back to Natural Home Remedy, the go-to channel for all things holistic and natural. Today, we're tackling a common issue that many of us face: yeast infections. If you've been searching for an effective and natural solution, you're in the right place. The first home remedy to try is yogurt. The probiotics or good bacteria in yogurt can help restore balance and control the overgrowth of yeast. Look for plain, unsweetened yogurt with active cultures. You can apply it directly to the affected area or even eat a cup or two of yogurt per day. The cooling sensation brings welcome relief from itching and burning. Another option is apple cider vinegar, which has antifungal properties to kill excess yeast. Dilute some apple cider vinegar with a little water and apply it externally, or add a tablespoon to a glass of water and drink it. It's strong tasting, so you may want to add a bit of honey. The acetic acid may regulate pH levels to combat the infection. Coconut oil is a soothing antifungal that can calm irritation. Apply extra virgin coconut oil liberally to external areas. It can reduce swelling and ease discomfort almost immediately while working to defeat the infection. You can also consider creating a suppository with coconut oil and garlic. Garlic is a powerful antimicrobial. Combine chopped garlic with melted coconut oil, then freeze the mixture into suppositories and insert them. This delivers the benefits internally right where they are needed. Baking soda baths can diminish irritation as well. Simply add 1 cup of baking soda to a shallow warm bath and relax for at least 20 minutes. Letting the affected area soak for a while removes debris and relieves itching. Just pat dry carefully afterward. In addition to these remedies, wearing cotton underwear and avoiding irritants in soaps, laundry detergents and toilet paper can promote healing and prevent recurrence. Probiotic supplements support healthy bacteria levels to keep yeast from taking over. With some diligent self-care, you can find freedom from frustrating yeast infections.